Hey traders, today we're taking a hard look at crypto.btc24.com. Crypto.btc24.com has recently come under scrutiny due to the lack of available information, raising significant concerns for potential users. Key concerns? Lack of online presence. The absence of reviews or mentions on reputable review sites is highly unusual for a legitimate cryptocurrency platform. No regulatory information. There is no clear evidence of crypto.btc24.com being registered or regulated by relevant financial authorities, which is crucial for any company dealing with cryptocurrencies. Limited transparency. Without accessible information about the company's background, leadership, or operational history, it's challenging to verify the legitimacy of the platform. Suspicious domain name. The use of .btc24 in the domain name could be an attempt to create a sense of urgency or exclusivity, which is a common tactic in crypto scams. Red flags to consider. Unrealistic promises. Be wary of any claims of guaranteed returns or exceptional profit opportunities in cryptocurrency trading. Pressure tactics. Legitimate crypto platforms don't typically use aggressive techniques to encourage quick sign-ups or investments. Requests for sensitive information. Exercise extreme caution if asked to provide private keys or personal financial details. Protecting yourself. Avoid engagement. Given the lack of verifiable information, it's strongly advised not to deposit any funds or provide personal information to crypto.btc24.com. Verify legitimacy. Always cross-check a platform's claims with official regulatory sources. Seek professional advice. Consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any cryptocurrency investments. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter this website, consider reporting it to relevant authorities to help protect others. If you've been scammed by crypto.btc24.com, there are resources available. But exercise caution. Avoid being a victim of another get-your-money-back-quick scam. Instead, contact brokercomplaintalert.com to get a free consultation and recovery service. We provide recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description. Before you invest with any broker, do your homework. Read independent reviews. Check their regulations.